Hi, I am Sarang, Director Tech and Data Solutions at Multiplier. For the past several years, our team has worked closely with some of India's most ambitious brands, helping them scale their presence across thousands of retail outlets. We realized that most brands still, rely on WhatsApp messages, Excel sheets, and email to manage their in-store retail branding. That means POSM goes missing or never deployed on time. Report arrive too late to get into any course corrections. And perhaps most importantly, don't know what's working and what's not working at the last minute. We realized that while the digital stack of marketing had evolved, but retail execution hadn't. And that's where we came up with RetailTrack, a unified retail visibility platform to track end-to-end retail branding activity from planning to proof of execution. With RetailTrack, you can actually check the movement of POSM right from planning to dispatch to deployment. You can check the share of shelf and the display performance, photo proofed and geo-tagged execution proof, and finally track competitors' display. And we have made sure it is easy to use for brand managers, visual merchandisers, and store teams. We didn't just want to create another reporting tool, we want to solve real business problem. RetailTrack helps marketing team get a clear ROI on all marketing campaigns. It helps the execution team gets clear instruction and a simple app to report back. And finally, the leadership teams gets visibility of reports real time with clear, actionable and insights. If you are a retail brand scaling across markets, looking to simplify retail execution, improve ROI, and want to see what's happening at the last mile, RetailTrack is for you.